A key Dacia brand model, with over 1,515,000 registrations worldwide since 2010, Duster continues to rise in the ranks of the compact car segment. Once again this year, Duster has maintained its position as the best-selling CSUV in consumer sales, with a total of 28,000 units between January and June 2019. Dacia Duster is now available with the new TCE 100 engine, the latest Alliance-created powerplant. Manufactured at the Pitești plant in Romania, the TCE 100 is a new generation engine that significantly reduces fuel consumption and substantially boosts performance. The CO2 emissions and fuel consumption of Duster TCE 100 are 18% lower than the C115 that it replaces, ranking it at the top of its category in terms of petrol engines. Equipped with the new TCE 100 petrol belt, the new indirect injection turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine is lighter and more compact. The TCE 100 features all the latest technologies, including a turbocharger with an electrically controlled wastegate, an exhaust manifold partially integrated into the cylinder head, twin variable valve timing for intake, and bore spray coating. Mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, the TCE 100 brings drivers even more versatility both in the city and out on the open road. With 100 horsepower and 160 Nm of torque, it boasts greater energy efficiency and enhanced responsiveness thanks to the turbo. The new generation powerplant provides optimum at-the-wheel pleasure through increased torque, available from the lowest engine speeds for livelier pickup. The Dacia Duster has been handed a coveted Good Housekeeping reader-recommended accolade, with the magazine's survey revealing that an impressive 92% of Dacia Duster-owning readers would happily recommend the car to friends, relatives and colleagues. Based on the analysis of owner questionnaires by the expert panel at the Good Housekeeping Institute, this accolade is only awarded to products that excel in their field when judged against 4 key areas of performance enjoyment, overall acceptability, whether they would purchase again and, crucially, whether they'd recommend it to friends and family. Not only were Duster owners keen to recommend the cars to others, 85% claimed the Duster was good value for money, while overall they rated the car an impressive 8.4 out of 10. Summing up their Dacia Duster ownership experience to the Good Housekeeping Institute, readers had the following to say: "Far better for the money, beats more expensive competitors hands down. Value for money compared to other SUVs. It looks stylish, has innovative technology and a quality interior and exterior,